video. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm making a video of it because I just bought some Sun F tires for my wife's TRX 250. It's 85. Anyway, the original tires on there were Honda Otsu H-Track tires. And I'm like, first of all, what the hell do you do with old tires? Everybody's like collectors. First, I'm gonna clean them and see if there's where all the dry rot cracks are. I don't think there's too many like major cracks. One wasn't holding air, the other one wasn't. And I was like, I don't want to throw them away because somebody might collect them. But I said, what can I do with them? And I was thinking maybe I should find some tire glue, like fill the cracks and maybe keep it as spare tires. And I'm like, first of all, I'm gonna have a barn full of spare tires if I don't throw some of them out. And I know everybody's obsessed with the old Otsu tires, and I was like, you know what? You know what I want to try? I want to try something crazy. I'm thinking of cutting the Otsu label out of the tire, just cut it out, and getting some tire glue. I was thinking of using that patch glue for tires. We'll get some tire patch kit, use the glue, and I was thinking maybe I can put something on the backside, take both labels, make them big enough to put them together, and maybe put a loop on it, and make a keychain out of it. Because how many people have an Otsu keychain made out of an original 40-year-old tire? And I can make a H-Track keychain, so I know which vehicle. Because right now I want to buy one of those Honda. I have one of those Honda keychains. They're red, looks like the airplane tags. And if I put one on the other bike, I'm never gonna know which key it is. I'm gonna sit there and mess with it. So I was like, you know what? It's a good thing to make something rubber out of. Or I can make a garden bed. I just cut the top off and plant some shit in it and basically be eating petroleum, residue. But if anybody thinks it's a good idea, I want to see if I can cut it out. I have a riveting tool. Sorry, I have a cold. I have a riveting tool. I can cut the thing out, make it nice. And I know I see all these people in our countries, they make sandals out of it. And I'm not making sandals out of tires. I mean, might be a fun thing to do. I don't think I have the glue. Where do you get this industrial glue that you can glue a piece of rubber to a piece of leather? Because knowing me, I'll be like, hey, let's make a pair of sandals. What kind of sandals you got? Hey, I got Otsu sandals. Might be fun, but hey, I'm not going to go there. Plus, the tire is not flat, so. I mean, I don't know, but I figured a keychain would be cool. Other option is I find a way to flatten it out and make a mat for because there's got to be something you can do with this. I know, I could probably use it on my jack, lift it up, some. There's always something you could use a piece of rubber for. And I think the logo's cool. So I'm like, if I clean it off with some Armor All, get it nice and, see if I can get it nice and black. I'll use that car polish, bring out the blackness of the tire, and make a keychain. Drill this nice hole in it, put a nice little round rivet, put a hook in there, and make a luggage tag or something out of it. If I can cut a piece out that I can strip and fold it, glue it together, that might work too. So all you Honda nuts or Honda hoarders or whatever bike people, if you think it's a cool idea, why not? Because they got they should make shirts say Otsu, or just for the fun of it, coasters, whatever. Anyway, but I just want to do something cool, so I have hey, look at this, I got a 40-year-old, tire keychain. Too bad I didn't have a pile of them. If it actually works, then I'd have to start collecting old tires and butchering them. So anyway, or I can use it as a rubber stamp. The only problem is it'd be backwards. So that's out of the question. A reverse stamp. Well, actually, if I made a rubber stamp out of it, I could stamp a clear paper and have it in reverse form. That'd be the only way. But it's cool. I was thinking of cutting the round part of the edge because nobody cares about the tread, and just hang it on the wall as a wall hanger. Maybe I can find a clock fitting. I'll put a wooden board, make a Otsu tire clock. Just kind of curl it around the wood. That's an idea. I'll have to keep that idea, upload it to YouTube. Anybody made any tire clocks out of Honda tires? Original 40-year-old dry rot tires? Or maybe I should find a authentic, brand new, nice set and destroy that instead. No, I can't afford it. Thanks for watching. That's just my crazy idea. Toodles.